Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Bolivia. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Bolivia is one of the many countries across the globe that has seen a recent notable rise in interest when it comes to the Forex market. Forex brokers who offer their services in Bolivia, and especially to those of Muslim faith, must make an Islamic Forex trading account available for trade. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Bolivia can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Bolivia. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 4 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CySEC license, with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Bolivia, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, Indices, Commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Bolivia on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.